Hi, this is Computer Science 20S, still in the Scratch environment, and this is lesson 6, the repeat loop. So after this lesson, you will know what a definite loop is. You'll be able to use the repeat feature of Scratch, and you'll be able to use the single step feature of Scratch as well. Let's get started. The computer can perform repetitive tasks efficiently. What does the code written below in Scratch do? Okay, so if you want to take a moment here, pause the video, and type this in, that would be great. You will notice in here the use of the repeat loop. You'll see that it's looped here. It's sort of bracketed inside the repeat. This is known as a definite loop. It repeats 4 times. And the reason we call it a definite loop is because we know exactly how many times it repeats. We define it to be a for loop loop. In the script, the loop will repeat the steps of drawing each side of the square and rotate to draw the next side of the square. So if you didn't already, then you should create the script using the repeat feature. And if you have, then let's move on. The debugger is quite useful in Scratch. We call it single stepping in Scratch. I'd like you to run the debugger on the previous script, and you'll notice that as it runs, you might need to turn it on slow, that it will flash where it's at, and it will just slow things down. If you need to slow it down even more, you need to incorporate the use of the wait feature, and that would slow it down quite a bit. So debugger is quite useful. So I'd like you to pause the video now and take a few moments and try to write scripts that draw a triangle, pentagon, and a circle using the repeat loop. And you should remember that the angle between sides can be calculated by 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. So for example, if it's a triangle, then it would be 360 divided by 3, and so on. And if you haven't paused the video, you should. Okay, hopefully you had a chance to try that. Let's see if we've got some solutions for you. This one here, I think, is the triangle. It's repeat 3 times, so it's triangle. We've got 120 degrees there. This one here is pentagon, repeated 5 times. That's 72 degrees here. And let's see what this one is here. This one is a circle. Repeat 360 times, and we're going to move 1 degree. So, in fact, the circle is a 360 degree or 360 sided figure. Not a true circle, but you don't even realize that on the computer. So now I'd like you to draw a circle and a hexagon side by side. Pause the video, and then I'll show you the solution. So to draw those side by side, it's pretty straightforward. You simply add those 2 scripts together. We have the first part here. This part here does the circle. And this part down here does the hexagon. Okay, and you should probably include comments in there when you do those. So I'd like you to practice assignment now is to modify the lesson 2 script so that it uses repeat to move your sprites across the screen. You'll find that's a little bit more efficient. So go back to find your lesson 2 script and do that practice, and then show me when you're done. Good luck with that.